You know what I mean? A lot of people just drive them around. They don't know that it's there, but we just noticed it one day when we were carrying a really heavy piece of wood. When I was working construction, I realized, because I would carry 2x12s that were long beams, and the Z71s have this back roller. So you can stand back here, lift up a piece of wood, set it there, stand back, and you can roll the whole thing up onto your roof. It's like...
Yours has a roller on the back?
It's a roller on the back.
I've never seen that. We're gonna have to go look at that.
Yeah, I'll show you.
I didn't know that was a thing.
All the guys I worked construction with, they all went to junkyards and they cut them off of Z71s.
No idea.
Like, we're putting them on our trucks.
I don't think I've... Yeah, we've never had a Z71.
Let's go see that roller. I want to see the roller.
Oh, left lane got it.
Yep, cops are definitely coming now. Well, let's see this roller.
Alright, so this is the roller. You can see this right here. All you got to do is set a piece of wood on this thing, and you can roll it all the way up to the front of your truck, save your back. It's pretty amazing.
I never knew that. That's crazy.
Yeah, man.
Does every Z71 Suburban have this?
Everyone I've seen from, you know, this generation has those on the back. Most people just don't use them for work, so I don't know. Well, actually, a lot of people do, but you know what I mean? A lot of people just drive them around, so they don't ever use that roller. They don't know that it's there, but we just noticed it one day when we were carrying a really heavy piece of wood. This thing saved us quite a bit.
That's freaking...
Building houses in Dallas, so this thing hauled a lot of wood. I'll show you some pictures of this thing squatted with trailers just full of lumber, dude.
Huh.
I'll show it to you.
Sounds like my girlfriend, dude.
My
ex-girlfriend.
Hauling a lot of wood.
Hauls a lot of wood, yeah.
You're man. Thank you for being man enough to admit that, man.
Yeah,
dude. Do the Z71 Tahoes have this too?
Yeah, man. They do.
Huh.
And you could scoop a roof rack off of one and do that. I mean, it'd be good for like when you go on race week or whatever you do. You know what I mean? Yeah. But it's not something, I didn't find it something that's useful other than with big pieces of lumber. You know what I mean? Because it's kind of awkward for like a piece of luggage.
Yeah, I'll be honest, I never even used my roof rack before.
Yeah. I used to use this a lot though. I carry like baseboards and stuff.
You're the roof roller guy now. You know how many people are gonna be like, oh my god, I never knew that was there. This is insane. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go buy a bunch of Z71 roof racks before I make this video.
That's great, dude. That's great.
Yeah.
Hey, you think we can fit one on the Trailblazer?
Oh yeah.
How many girls do you think I can fit on the roof?
How many girls?
Yeah.
I don't know, let's go find out. Rolling out. Hey, you too.
I'll see you soon, man. We'll work on something soon.
Well, let me know, Mr. Roof Rack.
All right. Peace out. Have a good one, boys.
You too.
Just rolling it. Just rolling it. Yeah, make sure you don't get T-boned by those idiots.